Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Thomas Gaehtgens. I'm the director of the Getty Research Institute, and it's my pleasure to welcome you back for the second day of the Getty's Joint Research Institute and Conservation Institute conference, The Object in Transition. Isn't that a wonderful idea that you get every morning a welcome, because we are two institutions, so you have right to two welcomes. It's been exciting to see what happens when we gather so many people who are committed to the study and preservation of modern and contemporary art into one room. We have artists, curators, conservators, and art historians who have come from around the world ready to articulate and debate the questions that will surely shape the future of all our fields. It's a privilege to be at the cutting edge of such an important interdisciplinary dialogue, and we are honored and grateful for the efforts each of you have made to be here. So far, we have focused on the challenges inherent in conserving certain kinds of modern media, from painted surfaces to light and space sculptures. Beginning with the Thursday evening's artists panel, the presence or absence of artists' voice has been of central importance. We concluded yesterday's session with a conversation about the different claims that artists and history can sometimes make on behalf of works of art. Today's conversation maintains this engagement with the artist's voice, while also addressing the life cycle of art objects. We'll explore more examples of the creative solutions conservators, art historians, and artists have found by working together. We'll ask what happens when an icon of modern art can no longer be either conserved or displayed, and we'll discover, by example, the fertile intellectual territory opened up through cross-disciplinary dialogue. Though this conference focuses on modern and contemporary materials, these conversations are important to all of art history. Jean-Marie Tetonico mentioned the importance of interdisciplinary conversation in her comments yesterday, and I would like to echo her observations from an art historical perspective. Just as conservators may have something to gain from art historical problematization of artists' intent, art historians benefit from conservators' thorough understanding of an artwork's material and construction methods. There's a tremendous potential for us to learn from each other this weekend and to carry these conversations back to our professional homes and into the future. And my impression is this conference will inspire us to think also in another way about the art of earlier periods. We need this kind of cooperation also for the Renaissance, the Baroque, and the art of the 19th century. We understand that after the Rembrandt research project, we now have a Mondrian research project, and we need more of these projects. Something else we all share is the rare opportunity to ground our theoretical discussion in close viewing of several of these objects in question. David Norris, Roy Lichtenstein, Barnett Newman, and Eva Hess are all represented in a private display at the Getty Museum. If you haven't seen the display yet, or if you would like to spend more time with the objects, the gallery is open until 9 p.m. Though our conference ends today, the gallery will also be open during museum hours tomorrow. If you do come tomorrow, please be sure to bring your conference badge, as only conference participants are permitted into this gallery. Again, welcome to the Getty. Welcome back to the object in transition. We have a full day of fascinating questions ahead of us. So I'll hand things over now to Andrew Perchak, who will introduce this morning's sessions. You should especially welcome Andrew, who is Assistant Director of the GRI and runs a fascinating program about modern and contemporary art, because he, with Glenn Phillips and many others, was one of the major organizers of this conference. Thank you all for coming and for participating in this challenging conference. Thank you, Andrew.